Our Advanced Pro package is perfect for those that have an existing website, would like to take advantage of both the customization setup, but take it a step further whereby you have more in-person support and help, as well as making sure that we are able to optimize your site for speed, as well as the migration. This includes migrating links, keeping the same structure, which are all critical to requirements for maintaining your SEO that you've worked on for a long period of time. The most important part of this is where we start off with an initial review call. This call gives you direct insights from a designer's perspective as to how to get the most out of your flow theme. This means that if you are unsure of the best layouts to use from any of our themes, we will work with you to understand what is the best theme if we need to change which you purchased, and secondly, which layouts work best for your needs. This is our most in-depth package, and because of this, this is why it remains the most popular for those that want to get the optimum experience from their flow theme and the best value for money.